What does the future of transportation look like? Can electric vehicles, EVs, truly become the new normal? As we navigate the road towards a sustainable and greener future, the transition to electric vehicles is not just a possibility, it's an imperative. But for EVs to truly rev up and race into the mainstream, there are several key factors that we must address. First up, we have battery technology. The heart of every electric vehicle, the battery, needs a boost. We need more research and development to increase energy density, bring down costs, and improve durability. Governments and private companies should put their weight behind battery manufacturing infrastructure and research into next-generation battery technologies. Imagine solid-state and lithium-air batteries powering your ride, offering longer driving ranges, faster charging times, and improved overall performance. Now that's a future worth investing in. Next, let's plug into the issue of charging infrastructure. For electric vehicles to really get going, we need a robust and widespread charging infrastructure. This calls for a collaboration between governments, utility companies, and private enterprises. Imagine rapid charging stations dotting highways, urban areas, and workplaces. And what if these stations were powered by renewable energy sources? Add wireless charging technology to the mix, and we have a comprehensive charging network that puts range anxiety in the rearview mirror. But what about affordability? The cost of electric vehicles is a major speed bump on the road to mainstream adoption. To make EVs more wallet-friendly, governments should roll out financial incentives like tax credits, rebates, and grants. Partnerships with financial institutions could also pave the way for attractive financing options and lease programs. With continued investment in research and development and economies of scale in battery production, the price tag on electric vehicles could come down significantly. Now let's switch gears to education and awareness. To drive electric vehicles into the mainstream, we need to rev up consumer knowledge about EVs. Comprehensive awareness campaigns can highlight the environmental benefits, long-term cost savings, and improved driving experience that electric vehicles offer. Initiatives like test drives and EV experience centers can give potential buyers a taste of the electric life. Finally, we need to synchronize our efforts through collaboration and standards. Governments, automakers, utilities, and technology companies should join forces to ensure the seamless integration of electric vehicles into the mainstream. So as we cruise towards a future powered by electric vehicles, remember, every journey starts with a single step. Support the adoption of electric vehicles and help accelerate our journey towards a greener, more sustainable future.